Good afternoon, fellow traders. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is Monday, June 8th, 2020. I've got 4 stocks I want to take a look at on the bullish side, and that's assuming that the SPY overall market remains and continues to stay bullish. We have a little gap over here that the market might want to fill up, and we have a top up here about 337, 338. Now, one thing I want to do is mention that we're pretty far up there. We could see a little light rest coming at any time. So walk softly, be gentle, be careful. But I do have 4 stocks I want to talk about, and the first one is going to be this MCO. I'm going to come right over here, pick it off the live trading alerts scanner. And speaking of the scanner, I want to mention that my good friend Ed Carter over at Live Trading Alerts tells me that the scanner is still on sale for $97 a month. And in, July 1st, the price will go to $147. If you lock your price in now, he says it's good forever. So still on sale for $97. And I'll put a link down below in the chat area below the video here if you want to go check it out. Okay, so MCO started popping up today, coming up on one of the scans that Ed has created for us. And I'm looking at this 286.47, 286.45, 286.50, this top. We start to break out. What that may do, we get that breakout, then what we're going to start looking for is that price setup in this area right here. In fact, it would be very much like this chart pattern right there, and we want to see it up here. Now, there's nothing wrong with entering it down into this area. Just keep in mind that we have a little resistance right in here. Targets I'm looking at is about 35.35 and then about 316.70 up here. So watch this area for a possible entry between the green and blue line, and then watch this green box for a breakout entry. So breakout, slowly pull back, and look for that entry inside that green box. Another stock that I like here that came up on one of the alerts that Ed created for us, there we go, is CHTR. Here we've got a nice bullish trend. Nice bullish trend here. We've got this whole resistance area right in here that we have broken out of. And then here's the breakout. We hit that price action resistance from over here to the left. And here we've pulled back right to that trend line. We put a bullish engulf in today. What I'm looking for is this to continue up to about 579.50, then up here 603.85. Nothing wrong with buy it on positive trading above that trend line, like an inside day, or waiting for that breakout and then looking for that chart pattern to set up to the right. So up and rest, or the buyers that want to step in early if we get an entry in here tomorrow. Another one is TSCO. Where is it here? Here we are. TSCO. Looking at 136 and 142 as possible price targets. Here we've rallied up. There we go. Nice little rally up here. You can see that trend. We started putting in a little buying candle right here on the T line and right on this trend line right there. What I'm looking for is an entry tomorrow somewhere above that trend line, inside that green box. And again, I'll be looking for 136 to 142 as price targets. Let's see, Cisco. Come over here to our PBO V-stop alert. PBO and Cisco still looks like it may run up to about that $50 range. Here we've rallied up, pulled back, and now we're attempting to break out. Did a good job today of holding up. Still headed for that $50 range. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get up into 52, 54 on that breakout, and those might be some pretty nice swing trades. Again, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is June 8th, 2020. Remember that the LTA scanner right here is still on sale for $97. I'll put a link up that'll get you in touch with Ed Carter over at Live Trading Alerts. Thanks, and we'll see you all tomorrow.